We're not completely fine. That's a
I
good
think
thing.
that has strap.
I know, he took off the strap on.
Because they were broken. They were broken.
So then it's gonna fall off.
Okay.
Yo, Dan, did you do the interview for that NSC?
I didn't.
No?
You missed the thing.
What thing? Oh no, I play with them.
Oh, I don't know.
Wait, you're on it now?
No, I'm not on it. I'm gonna be playing with him.
I didn't talk to Ethan about doing it.
You missed the date. It was last week.
I know. I was in the ER last Monday.
Why?
I got really, really sick.
Oh, what?
Did you swallow?
So guys, let's get up to it.
Did you swallow too much dick?
Sir, yes, sir, man.
Okay, I'm going.
We did the soda.
Okay,
We
I'm.
did it on our phone, okay?
You help me with the office. Someone. Just. Hi.
You guys go that side. You guys
What the hell? Oh, that. It's. You fucking asshole. Hey, can't move that! Hit! 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 Fucking asshole! Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What the fuck? Oh, you asshole! No, they're not calling shit!
They fucking light him up.
Where's Dan?
Dan's in the middle. Where's my needle now?
There's.
You guys go up and go back.
There's a guy in the office. Joe, they're such assholes.
What?
They're not calling shit.
No, I said that the guy was at the time, you hit him in the flash hider. I said he was still in.
No, not that. He was moving the barrier.
Oh, okay.
And
I'm making out enough around.
No, and I shot him so many times in the mask, he didn't call shit.
What's he looking?
The guy in the green hoodie.
Alright, I'll keep an eye on him. Thank you.
What the hell? Why am I going?
Collectively? How's he cut off better?
Don't tell me my cough liver's broken.
What?
There you go.
Oh, I thought it was trying to auto on things.
Yeah, because this thing is.
Oh, keep playing.
This thing. I don't want to keep dropping it.
Oh, girl. Right.
Yeah. There, that would probably work. Oh, sorry, Dan. Go.
I was like, wait a minute.
No blind firing! You motherfucker! Dan! Back of an offense! Hit! Fucking asshole.